Hello, everyone. So today we're going to solve some special right triangles, and there are going to be 3 rounds today of notes and on your own. Make sure you draw all the triangles today, and we're doing right here this part of the formula sheet, special right triangles, which I'll include these pictures in the slides. So up first, notes round 1, we have a 60, 30, 90 right triangle. Okay, which we can see by the right angle, the 60-degree angle, and we're going to know that this is 30 degrees because remember the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 60 and 30 is 90, plus 90 is 180. Again, make sure you draw the triangles. And now we have the relationship across from a 30-degree angle is y, across from the 60-degree angle is y root 3, and across from the 90-degree angle is 2y. And this relationship always holds true for a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now here, because 10 is also 2y, we have 2y equals 10. Therefore, y equals 5. Right, 2 divided by 10 is 5. And y is the same as x, which is 5 inches. It's a little weird, but if you practice it a few times, you should be able to get it. It's just a relationship. So like for number 2, it's going to be the same thing. We have the same relationship, and just make sure that, the 2 that you know, like here we know 2y and 10. So we got y is 5. So we're going to label it. We have 2y across from 90, y root 3 across from 60, and y across from 30. 14 equals 2y here, so we have 2y equals 14. And y is equal to 7. So now here I'm looking for x, which is y root 3. Well, y is 7, so this is just 7 root 3. Inches. Okay, so we're pretty much just solving for y and then plugging it back in. That's all we're doing. Okay, and we solve for y by knowing which side we have. So here we know this side. So again, we have y, 2y, y root 3, and oh look, y is 7. So now that means x is going to be 2 times 7, which is going to be 14. And notice how these triangles are actually the same triangle. So all we did was multiply that 7 by 2 because we got y is 7. And this side is 2y. 2 times 7 is 14. So here's yours, round 1. So here, right, you want to pause and do. Make sure you draw the triangles. Okay, notes round 2. Now we know the 90-degree angle, the 30-degree angle, and we're going to just fill in the fact that these are all 60 degrees. And again, make sure you draw these triangles. Okay, so here we have the same relationship because we have 30, 60, 90. So we have y, 2y, y root 3. Here, y is 6. Okay, because 6 and y are on the same side. So that means that y is 6 and x is going to be 6 root 3 inches. Okay, so we're just finding y and finding the missing side. That's all we're doing. So here we have 60 That's 2y, y root 3. Well, y and 4 are the same, right? Because we have root 3 matches up, and then 4 and y match up. So y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 inches. Here again, we have 60 degrees for this angle here. We have y, 2y, y root 3. And now y is equal to 7, right? Because these match up. So that means x is equal to 2 times 7, which is 14. Okay, so it's just a relationship with this special type of triangle. That's why it's called special right triangles, because this relationship will always hold true for a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So here you want to pause and do these. Right, make sure you draw the triangles. Okay, and finally, we're going to get rid of these x's here. Right, I got rid of these. Made these q's because we have x's here on this one. So we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle now. And we're going to solve for q. So here for the 45, 45, 90, the two small sides are x, and the hypotenuse, the long side, is x root 2. So here, x is 11, which means q up here is going to be 11 root 2 inches. Okay, here we have 45, 90, which means this is also 45. And we have x root 2. So we have q is 5 inches, right? These are both x. I don't even have to label that one, but I did. Right? These are both the same, so this is just 5 inches. And finally this one, x root 2. Here, x is equal to 7 inches. Okay, which is not quite our answer here. Let me come back to here real quick. I have x is 7 is circled. I should have done that. It's q is 7 inches. That's our final answer. Right? We got to solve for x, but then we got to make sure that we answer it with q. So again, for this triangle, this looks like 7, 7, 7 root 2 on the long side. That's it. These numbers are all the same for a 45, 45, 90. And then the root 2 is just on the hypotenuse. Okay, so here's yours. We'll get rid of these. We'll make these q's. Make that a q. We'll make this a q. And we'll make that a q. All right, so that's less confusing because the x's are used in the picture. So we have q, 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 and you're solving for q. And that'll be it for today.